So we've tried to design our office to be comforting, to be relaxing. We want people to come in and just feel like they're at home. One of the things that I think is unique about my office, and people that come to my office, that walk through my office, that find it unique, it has a real beach feel to it. But that has a lot to do with my upbringing in Florida. So we brought the beach to Scottsdale. And when you come to my office, you'll be able to see that firsthand. So during the initial consultation, what we like to do is just basically gather information. Find out where you're coming from, what the problem is. Are you having pain? Are you having discomfort? Is it more of a concern of poor fitting dentures? Are you coming in because you want to find out more about dental implants? Depending on what the problem is and what your concern is then typically we'll take some records. We'll do an X-ray, and the X-ray that we take is actually a 3D cone beam X-ray that gives us the positions and the dimensions of the jaw bones in a 3D aspect that we can then take and treatment plan dental implant placement with our Yomi robot. We can review that plan with the patient. We can show them on the software where the implants are going to be placed, how many implants we're recommending. Hopefully that same day we will be able to give you a treatment plan so you'll know what the costs are, what the time frame is, and then ultimately we want to get you scheduled. So it's just a patient by patient specific consultation. We try to answer any questions and try to make the patients feel as comfortable as possible during the process. So the nice thing about our office is that we do have an on-site digital lab, and so it's a nice convenience that we offer to patients who otherwise might have some downtime with offices that have to send stuff out to commercial labs and then wait for those labs to then complete the work, to get it back to the office, then to reschedule the patient to come in. So it's not uncommon that we can do 24-hour turnarounds for certain cases, depending on the complexity of the case. So after we've completed implant placement, we like to see the patient back for follow-up visits. And during those follow-up visits could be anything from maybe taking sutures out to just checking soft tissue. Maybe we're checking the fit or the bite of the denture. One thing that our office provides is we do have a photona laser that we can use to stimulate blood flow to the areas of the implants that have been placed. So we always like to treat any implants that we've placed post-operatively with our laser to promote the healing. One of the most fulfilling things about the work that we do is when we get a patient in who's having severe problems with pain from cavities, or maybe they're having pain from periodontal disease or loose teeth from periodontal disease. They're not able to even bite into foods because the teeth are so sore. And we can take that patient, we can get all the bad teeth out, place dental implants, and put teeth in a day and literally change their lives in a day. And the excitement that we share with them when they see their new teeth for the first time, there's usually not a dry eye in the house as they're looking in the mirror and checking out their new smile. It's just really, really a nice thing to be able to offer patients. I would encourage anybody that's considering having dental implants placed is come out and visit, meet with us, see if we're a right fit for you. Where our office is more like a family type setting, and we really, really take care of our patients on an individual basis. And I think if you come out, get a consultation, meet the office staff, meet me, I think you're gonna be happy you made that decision.